EM03 front-back grinding mold operation demo. Install and secure the front-back grinding mold on the grinding machine. This demo shows CPU grinding on iPhone 12 Pro Max. Place the mold into the corresponding position on the grinding machine. Then tap chip grinding. Tap the folder and find the corresponding model program. Open. Set the grinding cycles and depth. Then tap Run. The machine will automatically calibrate and start grinding. But if the chip is not fully cleaned after grinding, adjust the grinding cycles and depth and run the process again. Grinding completed. CPU grinding successful.